Hi students, this is Kaushika from Student 10. Today we'll be learning about basic setup of Python where I'll be telling you how to install Python in your PC, and we'll also be learning what is computer program. What is the computer program? Before looking into that, let me ask you a question. What is 2 plus 3? It is so simple, like you will give the answer as 5, right? If I'm asking the same question to a computer, will it be able to answer? Hey computer, what is 2 plus 3? It doesn't reply, like it doesn't even understand what I'm telling that, right? So in order to make the computer understand, I should give a set of instruction called computer program that can be executed on the computer, and the computer will perform the specific task that is asked by the user. So a computer program is collection of instruction that can be executed by a computer to perform a specific task. So the set of instruction will be looking like this. Here, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. Now, I'm asking the computer to print the answer for addition of x and y. Now, the computer will be able to answer me that it is 15. Python is a computer programming language which is used to write all the computer programs. Believe me, Python is really easy to learn and it could be used to write all sorts of computer programs. There are many such programming languages, but why Python? There are a few advantages of Python. Python works on different platforms. Example, it will work on Windows, Macs, Linux, and many other platforms. And Python has very simple syntax similar to English language. Have you come across this word syntax? Yes, we learned this in HTML, right? What is the syntax of tag? Yeah, we'll be having such similar syntax in Python also, and it is really very easy. Python has syntax that allows developer to write program with very fewer lines. Comparing to all other programming languages, Python will take very few lines to program. And Python is really user-friendly too. Here are a few applications of Python. Believe me, wherever you go, Python plays a very major and important role. Say web developing, software engineer, and coming to data science and database, Python is really important to data science and database. And you'll be really shocked to know that Python is also used for game developing, 3D graphics, network programming, and etc. Here are a few steps to install Python for Windows user. Open browser window and navigate to the link which is on the slide. You will get the window which is similar to this. Under Python release for Windows, click the link for the latest Python 3 version. Scroll down and install either 32-bit installer or 64-bit installer. After downloading the latest Python release for Windows, open the downloaded file and select all the advanced option that is shown and click install. After the installer is downloaded, run the installer, then you will see the image. Setup was successful. Congratulations, some you have downloaded the latest version of Python 3. Some message would be there, and yes, Python is downloaded in your computer. Here are a few steps to install Python for Mac operating system. Open a web browser, navigate to python.org. Under Python releases for Mac OS X heading, click the latest Python 3 release link. Scroll to the bottom and click 64-bit installer and start download. Select all the option and click download button. Run the installer and press continue fewer times until you are asked to agree to software license agreement. You must click on agree. and you will be shown a window that asks you to install destination. You'll be fine with the default destination. So just go ahead and press install. And here are a few steps for Linux user. Just don't get panic. Here are a few codes. Just copy and paste the codes. Like this code is for Debian and this code is for Fedora. Why are we doing this code is, before installing Python, you must install some development packages required to build Python. And download the stable latest Python 4.3. Extract the stall bar. Just copy paste this codes. You will be fine. And start the build process. For build process, the code is sudo make alt install and sudo make install. After downloading, you must verify the version. So you just type Python 3 - version. This will give you the version of Python that has been installed. Now open a browser window, navigate to python.org, click the Linux OS option and download, and click download. Python will provide you a Python shell, which is used to execute a single Python command and display the output. But this Python shell is not only enough, because we'll be writing programs which are 10 to 15 lines. So we need Python IDLE. Here IDLE stands for Integrated Development Environment. To open this, it is very simple. Just type Python in your search bar. You will find Python IDLE. Click on that and you will be ready to code. The window that shows will be similar to this. Yes, congratulations, you have completed the basics of Python. I hope you had a really good time. Happy learning. Bye.